fuel to run a great nation and the lifeblood of the Lone Star State.
Good evening. Welcome to a special edition of Salute Texas on the 6 o'clock news.
We'll have more from windy Midland, Odessa, but first, here's what's making news at 6 o'clock.
The Dallas City manager has ordered additional 1% cuts from city budget. That means Dallas City workers are likely to pay the price for an $8 million shortfall in city funds. Channel 4's Laura Randall reports layoffs and pay cuts may likely be a thing of the future for 14,000 city workers.
Dallas City employees to
The Texas Department of State Health Services has issued a hazardous materials warning for the following counties in North Texas: Dallas, Tarrant, Killeen, Rockwell, and Dallas. At 8:14 p.m. emergency personnel reported a catastrophic pressure failure at the Magnolia Hickory Street annex. A significant volume of unrefined organic petroleum has breached the primary containment lining. Due to high acoustic saturation levels, the following protective actions are required. Seal all ingress points. Use heavy-duty plastic sheeting and duct tape to create an airtight seal over all floor drains, kitchen and bathroom sinks, toilet basins, and ventilation ducts. Do not neglect electrical outlets on exterior-facing walls. Water usage is prohibited. A do not use order is in effect for the Trinity River Basin and all municipal water systems. The discharge is chemically aggressive toward PVC piping. Do not drink, bathe, or boil tap water. Seek high ground. The material is significantly denser than air and will collect in depressions. Avoid basements, storm drains, and underpasses. Do not use open flames or gas stoves until an all clear is issued. Sensory filtration. If an oily odor is detected, cover your nose and mouth with a damp cloth or cotton filter. Do not use synthetic materials, as they may dissolve upon contact with the substance. Livestock and pets. Bring all animals indoors immediately. If contact occurs, do not attempt to wash animals with water. Isolate the animal in a tiled area. Travel restrictions. I-30 and I-35 are closed to civilian traffic. These routes are reserved for National Guard and Department of Energy transport vehicles. Unauthorized vehicles will be impounded. Remain indoors. Tune to 820 AM for further updates.
We start with Brahms Fudge Cake. Add 2 scoops of Brahms Real Vanilla Ice Cream. Top it with cherry topping. Then pour on rich, hot fudge. Crown it with